So today, I'm going to do a quick assembly on the Only Fire 12-inch by 12-inch stainless steel with a folding handle. So that'll be nice and handy for storage. Show you the quick dimensions. Yes, 12 inches. And the 12-inch measurement is really the peel surface there with it. Get a 12-inch diameter pizza to fit on there. Comes with a nice wood handle. Slide the packing material off of it. There's a screw here with a Phillips head in there and a knurled handle here. You'll notice a recess in the bottom of the wood. So you slip this into that position, flip it over, just use it finger tight. Good to go. And then when you're ready to put it away, unscrew it. That's all there is to it.